How to turn on speedometer in Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can turn on speedometer in Google Maps. So it works on Android, iPhone or Samsung. For that, we will simply open Google Maps. Once you open Google Maps, here you guys will see on top right corner small profile pic. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will simply scroll till the end. Here you guys will see settings. So simply click on settings. Once we click here you guys will simply scroll. Now you guys will see navigation. So simply click on navigation. Once we click here you guys will simply scroll. Once we scroll here, you guys will see map display. Also, you guys will see driving option. So in driving option, you guys will see speedometer. So simply click on speedometer and turn on it. So once we turn on it, our speedometer will be turned on it, and when we are going any location, it will be shown on screen. So there's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.